everyone. So this is like, I don't know if it's a stray dog, but he is just out and running alone, and he is so dirty. So I kind of just took him home, but I will like free him later. But it's just that he is so dirty, and just now he's unable to see, but I cleaned up his eyes, so I don't know, I guess he can see a bit better now. I don't know. Oh my god, his condition is just terrible. I don't know if he has owner or not, but for those of you who has dogs, please don't do this. Please take care of your dog, clean your dog, and especially if they have like dirt on their eye, please clean them up too. Give him some water, and I'll just feed him real quick. Come on, eat. And also he's really skinny. I don't know how to show you, but yeah, he's really skinny. His fur are like hardened because it's just so dirty. And if you found a dog like this, if you want to clean their eye, I suggest that if you don't have like the special drug to clean the eye, you just use like this kind of just a regular water, put some washcloth in it and just wipe it gently. But it kind of depends, because for him, his dirt is like really hardened too, so I kind of have to push it a little bit. I have to put a bit of strength when I clean them up. So yeah, it depends. And it's more. Oh, he likes to eat. That's really good. I'm not gonna keep him, by the way, because I don't have money to take care of a dog right now. When you have a dog, you have to have lots of money, because not only feeding them is expensive, but at the same time ensuring that they will live a happy life is expensive. And then you have to have some backup money to, you know, if they got sick, you got to take them to the vet and stuff like that. All of that costs money. So oh my god, he eats a lot. I'm gonna finish this. Yeah, I feel like he can see a bit better now. Not sponsored by Pedigree, by the way. I just happen to have this. Come on, eat some more. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot of food. So you guys can see it. It's a lot of food. Basically, I just put the entire pouch there. I'll buy some more later. He's so skinny, and I will give him a bath too. So I'm gonna, after he's done eating, I'm gonna show you guys like how to clean the dirt on their eye. I mean, it's actually kind of clean, but I think it doesn't hurt to clean a bit more, you know. So I was out like taking the dog that I was dog sitting for a walk, and then I found him. He's very weak, and it seems like he has trouble seeing. Yeah, because basically the dirt is like covering up his entire eyeball. Like there is no eyeball, it's just dirt. And oh my god, he's going way outside. Oh my gosh, who has him? Like, who has a dog as cute as this guy and doesn't take care? I think his skin is like, I don't know if it's normal for dog to have like a skin this dark, but it seems too dark for me. I don't know. Okay, I think he's done eating, so we're just gonna take so just gently, you know, raise him. Oh my god, the eye. See, look at the eye. See, it's a lot of dirt, so we're just gonna gently take it out. Okay, it's okay. Just gently like this, and wipe it upwards. Come on. Oh, it's okay. and then up, downwards on the bottom eyelid or something. You have to be very, very careful with the eyeball. I mean, the dirt should not be covering. Sorry, there's a motorcycle. The dirt should not be covering his eyeball, but it's just gotten so bad that it does. And then once you're done, just rinse it with water a little bit, and then oh, don't take the tissue. And then I was using a dry facial tissue just now, but it seems like it's a bit too painful for him, so I just switched to this soft washcloth. Just ensuring that there is just no more dirt. It seems like there is a bit of layer of dirt. I just can't seem to get it out without hurting him. So honestly, guys, I don't know what to do. I'm not a vet, so I don't know. I'm so sorry. Come on, sweet boy. Yeah, there's still like a layer of dirt, but it's okay. I think we can leave it for now. And he looks really hungry. I mean, what kind of owner does this? Like they don't get fed? I don't know. Wonder if he likes pedigree. Sorry, I was just taking a bucket of water. He seems to like the food so much. Oh my, I need to buy some more later. Don't have more right now, I'm sorry. I'll look at my kitchen and see what we got that we can give to him. Right now, I need to give him a bath. I don't actually have a dog shampoo with me. So usually when you don't have a dog shampoo, any shampoo will be fine. But I prefer to use baby shampoo. Let's see if I have some baby shampoo. So usually we need a bit more cleaning. But I think for him, I'm not gonna do that much of a cleaning because I bet he's kind of afraid of water. And of course, you know, he looks like he's pretty like mentally not well as well. Oh no, there's more dirt. Okay, I'll clean that up later. And also it's quite important for you to like keep petting them, comforting them, because of course they don't know you, right? So, and this one is a pretty good one. Like he doesn't really attack and stuff. Like there's like other stray dogs that will attack and all that stuff. So I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god, I rinsed him a little bit and there is like a layer of fat. Not a layer of fat. It's like a layer of hardened oil that when it comes to contact with the water, it just becomes like this sticky film thingy. It's horrible. His condition is horrible. And the dog that I'm currently babysitting, the dog that I currently dog sit, he cannot be near this one because I suspect this one would have like a lot of fleas and ticks. And of course, the dog that I dog sit is not mine, so gotta be careful. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, his skin looks really red. I don't know why. Hold on. Sorry. Sweet boy. Oh, sweet boy. You got good food. Smells good. And when you bus this type of dog, make sure you scrub it a little bit. Scrub it gently like this, because you know they have like lots of hardened dirt that really needs some force to get it out. Actually, human shampoo is a little bit too harsh for dog because it has a higher pH. So in the long run, it's gonna hurt their skin, because animal skin are thinner. Like I mean, not all animals. Like dog skin are thinner than the human skin. Cat's skin are even thinner. So for cats, you tend to want like an even milder acidity type of shampoo. Oh no, he's scared. He's hiding his tail. Can you guys see how the skin is just so dark? Tell me, like, is that normal? I feel like that's not very normal. Okay, I'm so sorry. You gotta come back here. I need some scissors too later, because there's like a lot of his fur. It's already hardened so bad that it just cannot be washed. I think if I actually take him to a groomer, the groomer might suggest that he needs to be shaved, like completely shaved, and then bathed, and yeah. And I guess that will be his treatment. I don't have a hair shaver, so I'm just gonna cut his hair later. He has to be clean. Need a scissor. See, like this kind of fur, you just can't take it. You just can't wash it off with shampoo. It's way too dirty. Okay, I know. Just a little bit more. Oh iya. Oh, he's cold. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna give you some. I just need to cut some more of this because it's really dirty. I gotta rinse a little bit. I just realized you guys can see him. Okay, there you go. So it has been a really long, I don't know, long effort to just clean him up. I'm gonna dry him inside using a hair dryer. For now, I need to stop recording because it's just so difficult to do this while having it being recorded. So yeah, if there's any update, I'll let you guys know later. Bye, see ya.